Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I'm showing you how to restore the deleted Minecraft world from your recycle bin. So guys, it's actually very simple. A child can do this. So just like with any other files you delete on your Windows computer, whether it's 10 or 11 Windows version, it's actually very simple. The only thing that you need to enable, of course, in your recycle bin is so that recycle bin even works, because if you didn't know, you can actually disable it. But if you didn't, you will pretty much be having the default settings, and you just navigate to your recycle bin. And then, as you can see, I just created a sample file in here that I just deleted and moved into recycle bin. And here, guys, what you need to do is you just press on the file, and then you press restore the deleted items. Or you can just right click and then press on restore. And then depending where this Minecraft world of yours was located, it will move to that original location, so you won't have to move it, by yourself necessarily, manually. So exactly where it was located originally, it's moving back into that same spot, so very handy. So that's it. Just press on restore and your worlds are back and running. If this video helped you out, guys, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.